So we're going to be learning how to know our kids' measurements. We have the age, the waist, the hip, shoulder, arm, shoulder to knee, shoulder to waist, neck width and depth, then the chest. So I'm going to be putting the measurements so that you will know which figure represents each of the parts for the child. We have from 3 months to 12 years in this graph. So I'm going to be inputting the measurements now. So for 3 months, our waist is 18. As you can see there, the hip is 19. The shoulder is 8. The armhole is 3.2. Then you can see the shoulder to knee also. Just look at the figures I'm inputting in the boxes. Look at it because you understand better when you look at it. You can write this down as you are watching this video also. We have the neck width for 1.5, the neck depth for 18. This measurement is going to help you for your kids wear. For those of you that most children, they just tell you, oh, my baby is 1 year, my baby is 10 years. You can follow this measurement to get your kids wear. So for 6 months, we have the waist at 19, the hip at 20, the shoulder at 8.25, the armhole at 3.5, the shoulder to knee 18, shoulder to waist 7. Just keep on watching, you understand. So now I'm going to the next one, which is 1 year. We have the waist at 19.5, the hip at 21, the shoulder at 8.5, the armhole at 3.75, shoulder to knee 20, shoulder to waist 7.5, neck width 1.75, neck depth 2. Then we have the chest at 20. When I was ruling, I didn't rule it very well, so that's why it's looking as if the 2 years and 4 years want to come together. But I know you understand with the way I'm writing it in each box. So for the 2 years, we have our waist at 20, our hip at 22, our shoulder at 8.75, our armhole at 4, shoulder to knee 22, shoulder to waist 8, neck width 2, neck depth 2.5, and our chest line at 21. But I've gotten some questions that what about if the child is big? Yes, if you get a child that is more big than the actual size measurement, when you look at the child, okay, you know that this child looks like 5 years. Maybe the child initial age was 3 years or so, but you know that this child looks like 5 years. Don't go and use 3 years measurement I put here. You use the look of the child to get the original measurement. You get. But if the child look exactly the age, yes, 3 years, you follow the measurement. 4 years, follow the measurement like that. You get. So let's continue. I didn't know that my camera have shifted here, so I had to adjust it very well again. So now we are in 6 years. We have our waistline at 23.5. Just follow the measurement. Make sure that when you are watching this, you can write the initial heading I used. That was the beginning. So you just follow the figure. I didn't know my camera has shifted here, but I'll adjust it very well so that you can get the exact numbers in each of the column. So back to 8 years, you can see the figures I'm inputting in each box. Just follow, you understand. Just make sure you started from the beginning. You saw the heading, then just follow the figures. Then you understand. It's my first time making a tutorial like this, but I know with time I will be perfect with my tutorial. Sorry if there is any inconveniences if you don't understand. So I adjusted the camera to suit so that everything I'm writing will show very well. Pardon if there are some things you didn't see, but I know with the way I adjusted it now, the ones we were unable to write, you would be able to write it now. So just follow the heading and input the numbers, then follow it up with your kids measurements. And I know that if you follow this measurement, you get the desired perfect measurement for the child project you are working on. So that's all for the kids measurements. It's so easy. Kindly like, subscribe and share and help me grow.